You might have noticed right now that nearly every single YouTuber tries to copy MrBeast and made crazy videos with crazy effects, lots of transitions, lots of cuts, everything filled with dopamine and explosion, but most of them really just fail. You probably have tried it as well and noticed that they don't really work and the videos don't really capture the right audience, so you don't get the results you wanted. Plus, videos like that are super draining to make for most people. So in this video I'm gonna show you why simple edits are just better and how to create these simple edits that will actually get you the results you wanted. Simple equals more understanding. Whenever you're making a video, the most important thing is actually if people understood what you're trying to say in the video. Let's say you get 100,000 views on your next video, but it's highly edited and people didn't actually listen to what you're saying in the video. Those views are actually just blank. They don't actually help you build a real community or a real business. So you want to make sure you're focusing on your message and storytelling first before really adding those flashy edits if you really want to. And the simple edits really help you with that. They will actually let you focus on building out your story and actually delivering the right message. Also, I will show you how to add these clean edits that you've seen all throughout the video till now on your edits in a very simple way. But before that, simple equals an easier process. With simple edits, the process just becomes much easier. You actually just have to focus on a few key things. Making sure your lighting is good, making sure your camera is on, making sure your audio sounds decent, and adding a few edits here and there. I have a full video breaking down my lighting setup if you like it and want to see actually how I'll build it out. I will link it down below. And people are just tired of edits. They just want to see real people telling real stories and real people helping them with their problem. And these simple edits really open up the whole creator process to literally anyone, because you don't have to actually spend years to learn how to make insane effects in order to build a real YouTube channel. You just have to master these simple edits. So let me actually show you now on the computer how to do that. So I have this plugin that I've made with all of my assets inside of it. Like I have backgrounds. These backgrounds just fit perfect in all cinematic edits that I make all the time. All of them are super clean, super cinematic, and I've made sure to have everything customizable. So if you go into the properties, you can just select any of your backgrounds and colors, change the colors to anything basically, and now just change the colors, or you can just change the backgrounds. I made it so you can add depth through the shapes like we did on the lighting to make sure I'm more in front than the stuff in the back, so we actually get that blur. I made it with the backgrounds, and I have sound effects, like a ton of them for everything I need. And most importantly, I have these animation presets that are made for cinematic edits and literally any edits, because they are fully customizable. So how I do it, just double click and
there. What does it
basically the edit done here. So let's actually
cinematic videos.
Look, let's go into layer controls and move it down a bit.
Cinematic video.
And just change the text to, and for example, I will change to the Apple font. Just boom, I'm done.
Cinematic videos.
And I will just use, for example, a simple fresh transition that I have. All I have to do is drag and drop at the middle and change the blending mode from normal to screen. And now we already have this.
Cinematic videos. Everybody wants to.
We can transition, for example, a full screen animation. Let's add the text as well. Go through this. An overlay with the check mark. And let's type everyone wants to have cinematic videos. And all I have to do is change my background. I just changed to this one. And now let me render quickly and show you what I've built in like the whole sequence that I edited in like literally like 2 minutes or whatever this video.
Cinematic videos. Everybody wants to have them. But cinematic videos. Everybody wants to
I have super complex animations that will take hours in like literally seconds on my screen. And I have tons of them. iMessage, as you can see, we can make this smaller or bigger, like put a timer in the corner, or like have the follow button here, or like any customizable transition with your logo inside of it. Like there's a bunch of stuff there. I have a link in the description below where you can learn everything about this plugin. And let me know below if you have any questions. I will be super happy to answer them. And till next time, peace.